Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, this customer called and said that their lights weren't working in their kitchen. So I asked her some questions, and she told me that cabinets fell on her and she had somebody come and reinstall them. Well, after that, the lights did not work. So I began to check, and sure enough, when they put the cabinets back up, they drilled right through the wires. So this one was at the very top, and I was able to locate it right away. But then I decided to cut further down. And lo and behold, they went right through the conduit pipe, and they hit that wire that went to the outside light. All right, so now what we did is we removed the wires, and I put a junction box up at the top and reran a whole new wire for the outside light. And I was able to reconnect everything and use a junction box above the cabinet to look like the outlet that was right next to it. And tied everything back together, checked everything, and made sure everything was working once we ran the new wires. And then buttoned it up, closed up the drywall, and then we reinstalled the cabinet. So when you're installing cabinets, if there's a switch or an outlet underneath it, don't drill in that location. Building with Papa. See you on the next one.